Hello, my name is Dr. Tony Frudakis with Wi-Fi Pest and Termite Meisters. We've developed a new digital platform called InsectiShield iBarrier, which is an evolution of the new digital pest control model for reduced costs, increased performance, and better environmental stewardship. Pest control is big business and it's an important business. Termites do about $40 billion a year in structural damage worldwide, and about 1 million people die each year as a result of mosquito-borne infections. The traditional pest control model is based on the manual application, the service-oriented application of petrochemical pesticides, which are xenobiotics. They're completely foreign to the environment. They're synthesized from oil. They're toxic to many other animal and plant species besides insects. They persist in our soils and waters for decades, wreaking havoc with our ecosystems, and they're directly, causally linked to various human maladies, including various cancers, neuroendocrine disorders, autoimmune diseases, birth defects, even mental illnesses. The solution to this problem is an organic pesticide model. Organics are chemicals that plants have developed over many millions of years of evolution in harmony with their environment to dissuade insects rather than kill them. The problem is that since their mechanism is based on chronic dissuasion rather than acute lethality, uh, their application in a residential pest control context requires far more frequent application cycles, which means more labor and low cost effectiveness. As a result, they basically have not penetrated substantially in the pest control industry. So what's needed here is not just a moral argument for people to change from the dangerous petrochemicals to the organic pesticides. The moral argument isn't enough. We need to deliver value. We need to hit the customer right in the pocketbook and induce them to make this responsible change. And the only way to do that is to completely automate the application of organic pesticides, to take labor completely out of the equation. So the iBarrier system does that. It's a completely integrated hardware software platform for automated application of the high frequency automated application of organic pesticides. A digital wireless controller carefully meters the application of of organic pesticides from an underground reservoir through a proprietary dispensation network above and below ground. They're patent pending networks. We refill the tanks once every couple of months. The users can interact with their system through its cloud-based operating system, um, or we can do all of the control for the customers if they want a completely hand-free experience. Basically, what the system does is it takes insect sensor inputs and information that's available online, including weather forecasting, local regulations, etc., to customize a treatment schedule for each property and essentially establish a ring of protection, of organic protection, almost a moat, if you will, around the home that's all natural, that completely obviates the need for residents to spray harmful chemicals inside of their homes or outside. So we have more than a dozen installations already. Customers report immense satisfaction at the insect control that they're able to achieve with the all-natural organic pesticides when applied in a high-frequency manner, as our system provides. They also report satisfaction at being pioneers of the smart home of the future, where they're solving larger problems than just their own local, home-based problems, including environmental and human health-related issues, sustainability issues, in a manner that's intelligent and digitally connected. They also love the fact that their costs have been slashed in half. Their combined landscaping bills, pest control bills, fungicide treatments, fertilization of the lawn, et cetera, all of that can be consolidated into our single service contract offering with the Wi-Fi iBarrier system, and they can save about half on those expenses as well as alleviating headaches. And we're just getting started, so we're going to enjoy a recurring revenue stream from a subscription-based model. We're going to translate into a franchise-based model after we've demonstrated proof of principle with our very first self-run franchise. And we're currently raising investment, our first investment, seed capital investment, for finishing some of our sensors and engaging our first advertising campaign. All of our sales so far have been word of mouth. Thank you very much.